My name's Dante with Paths to Math. Let's test your knowledge on solving for x. This is an example where I had mentioned using the LCD method being very helpful. A lot of students like to use cross multiplication, but I try to practice using the LCD method to eliminate fractions. Okay, so we have a bunch of fractions here and we can get rid of them in one swift step. First, we have to find the LCD. In this case, the LCD is 15. The LCD stands for least common denominator, and that's going to be the number that every single denominator can go into. So 5 goes into 15, 15 goes into 15, and 3 goes into 15. That's my LCD. Once you see the LCD, once you know that, you can multiply the entire equation by that number. Let's check this out. We have 15 times x over 5. We have 15 times 4 over 15 times x. We have 15 times 1/3. Now this doesn't look easy. It looks like we made it harder, but check out how this simplifies. We could take the 15 and the 5 down below, and we can simplify that. I'm sure you guys know what 15 over 5 is, or 15 divided by 5 is. That's 3. So we have 3x. Now, over here on this term, we have 15 over 15, or 15 divided by 15. Those cancel out completely because that's just 1. So we have 4x. And then we have 15 divided by 3. That would be 5. And all of a sudden, we have a really, really simple, or much simpler form of an equation to solve for. Let's combine like terms. Subtract 3x to both sides. We get 0 equals x plus 5. I want to move that 5 over, so I have to subtract 5 on both sides. We get x equals -5. But you know we have to check our work to make sure that we didn't make any mistakes. We check our work by plugging in -5 into the original equation. -5 over 5 equals 4 over 15 times -5 plus 1/3. The left-hand side is easy. That's just a -1. This is where it gets a little complicated. How about we do that same technique where we could cancel the number that we're multiplying by with the denominator. That's going to give us 4 divided by -3. And then we have plus 1/3. If you're confused about the step I did, 5 over 15 simplifies to 1/3. So I can use that information and just cancel out the 5 with the 15. But there's a negative sign in there. So instead of having 4/3, I need to have 4 over -3, or -4/3. That's my next step actually. I'm going to rewrite that as -4/3. When you have a fraction with a negative sign on the top or bottom, you can pull it out in front like I did here. The only thing I changed from this step to this step is pulling out that negative sign. Now I want to combine fractions. I don't necessarily want to eliminate fractions right now. I want to just combine them because we have a matching denominator. So that's pretty helpful. That's going to become -1 equals a -4 plus a 1. So that's -3 over 3. When you're adding or subtracting fractions, you need a matching denominator. When you have that matching denominator, all you do is combine the numerator. Whatever's in the numerator, that's what you add. Don't change the denominator when you're adding or subtracting fractions. So we have -1 equals -1. Since we have a matching number on both sides of the equal sign, our final answer is confirmed. X equals -5.